cái này còn dễ hơn đi. Cái này còn dễ hiểu hơn đi. Cái kia khác cơ. Còn đọc cái này chỉ có vào ra thôi.
Okay, attention class. Your eyes on me, everybody. Okay, our next topic is perpetual inventory system. Perpetual inventory system using LIFO method. So when we say LIFO, it means last in, first out. We need to prepare again 3 columns. Okay? Okay. Issued. And then balance. First thing, we need to know the opening stock. So August 1, we have opening stock of how much? 400 units at 10, and that is 4,000. So similar to FIFO, we need to bring this to our balance. So that is 400 at 10, and that is 4,000. Next. We have receipt. 600 units at 12. And this is how much? 7,200. Again, we cannot combine them. Why? Because the unit costs are not the same. So just bring it down. 400 at 10 is equal to 4,000. And this one we put below. So 600 at 12, and that is 7,200. Close. Now, on the next day, August 16. This is August 12, right? So August 16, we issue how many units? 500. Class, listen. Because we are using LIFO, we now consider, the earliest or the latest?
Latest.
Okay. The latest is what? 600. But this is enough already to cover our issuance. So we just write 500 at 12, and that is how much?
6,000.
6,000. Exact?
Yes.
Okay. 6,000. So, how much is left? 400 at 10, and that is 4,000. And this 600 minus 500? 100 at 12, and that is how much? 1,200. Okay, let's close. Next, August 18. So, receipt of 300 units at how much?
15.
And that is how much?
4,000.
4,500. Okay, so we just bring down again 400 at 10, and that is 4,000. 100 at 12, 1,200, and finally 300 at 15, 4,500. Okay, very simple. Next, August 20. On August 20, we issued 200 units. So this time, what is our basis?
300.
300. Okay, but this is enough already to cover our 200. So that is 200 at
15.
15. And that is how much?
3,000.
3,000. So how much is left? We have again 400 at 10, 4,000, 100 at 12, 1,200, and 300 minus 200, 100 at 15, and that is how much? 500. Is it clear, class?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Next, August 25. What happened? What do we have? Receipt. Okay, so 400 units at how many units? 14. And that is for how much, class? 5,600. So again, we cannot combine. So we just copy 4,100 at 12 equals to 1,200. 100 at 15, 1,500, and 400 at 14, and that is 5,600, and close. Okay, and last one, finally, on the 28th, we issue how many units? 400. And our basis is the last one, okay? So that is 400 at 14 equals to 5,600. So how much is left? 400 at 10, 4,000, 100 at 12, 1,200, 100 at 15, 1,500. Class, notice, the closing unit is still 600 units for LIFO. So whether we use FIFO or LIFO, the closing units must be the same. So that is 600. But of course, the amount is different. Okay? How much is the total of these three? 4,000 plus 1,200 plus 1,500.
6,000.
And that is 6,700.
700.
So, how much is our cost of goods sold?
14,000.
14,600. Of course, this must be
Merchants.
21,300. Correct? So, when you add 14,600 plus 6,700, are they the same? Is it similar to merchandise available for sale?
Yes.
Okay. Question. Using LIFO perpetual inventory system, how many or how much is our closing units? 600 units. And how much is the cost of closing stock?
6,000.
6,700. How much is our merchandise available for sale?
21.
21,300. And how much is our cost of goods sold?
14.
Okay. Any question? Clear?
Yes.
Very good.